Well, I'm very inspired by two main sources. One is the figure, and the other one is nature, especially animals in it. In the past, I have done a lot of work with social contact and the figure, but I also find it's a relief, it's a way to relax, then focusing on work about nature, especially birds, because where we live there are so many birds around and they are very good sources of reference. I think I want to go now into also incorporating landscape and into my work. In this workshop I focus on two main techniques: the classic Linocut, where it's a relief technique, and then I wanted to show a way to add color to these images by using a much more painterly technique, which is the monoprint, and for that we use a plastic plate.